Hello, everyone. I'm here today to discuss with you on how you can connect third-party gateway providers, specifically Twilio, since it's the most popular one and a lot of our users are using it as a gateway. So we would go ahead and walk you through some basic steps on how you can connect it over to SMS it. All right, so let's get started. So how do you connect Twilio over? Simple. You just log into your SMS-it account, and this is the decentralized dashboard. You just need to get started here on your left menu panel and click on SMPP Connect Third-Party Gateway Providers. Once you're there, you can see the SMS gateways. By default, it's SMS gateway if you're going to connect an Android phone or a SIM. But if you click on the drop down here, there's various options, and one of them is Twilio. If you click on it, you would then have an option to enter your gateway ID key and your gateway token. This would be going to be coming from your Twilio. Right, so how do you get them? So let's go ahead and go to Twilio. We're going to create a trial account. So you just simply go to Twilio. I've already created one myself. And the first thing that you will get if you sign up for a free trial is you'll get a free Twilio phone number, which you can click here. This is the welcome page. And aside from the free Twilio phone number, you would get $15.50 that you can use to test out your account. So that's uh, a nice way for you to test out your sending and receiving of the messages. And down here, this is where you can find the account SID and the token that we were looking for and SMS it right here. So let's go ahead and get a free Twilio phone number here, and it will give us a free number. All right, perfect. I got a phone number. I just scroll down here, and this is the free number that I got. So let's go ahead and paste these account info. We can copy the account SID here and the account token right here. And I hit save. Now it's gonna be saved, the gateway configuration. Now, naturally, if your account is not trial, you would have an option to choose or get a number from the SMS side, and I would show that to you later. But since this is a trial account, all you have to do to add your number, because if you go here, it would still be using a different number, which is our free public US number, most likely. And as you see, this is not the Twilio phone number that we got. So in order for us to update that, we just go back to the third-party gateway provider here and click on numbers. And I'll have to release this number here. And then I'll just click on numbers again, and I'll add to existing number. So how do I add a number here? It's just I put in the number that I got from Twilio. I just choose United States, and this one right here is the number without the plus one, of course, because there's already a prefix here. And I need the SID. So where I can find that is I just need to go to Twilio and click on phone numbers here, manage and active numbers. I click the number here, and there you go. This is the number, and there's the phone number SID. Just copy this and paste it there. So all of these capabilities are gonna be the yes by default. So of course we want SMS, MMS. Just hit submit, and number will be assigned. If I go to the dashboard, you would see the Twilio number that I got. Awesome. Now, since you have the trial account, there are a lot of restrictions and limitations. If you want to know more, you just click on this link here, trial account, or I'm going to send this or paste this link over in the YouTube description. So check it below. And I opened it up here. So first of all, you have to make sure that the non-Twilio phone numbers that you wish to send SMS message or MMS needs to be verified first in there under the verify caller ID page. And I'll show you why, because later on you won't be able to send to those messages if they're not verified. And again, I guess this I'm just telling you this because if I guess this is important if you're just trying out Twilio first, you need to know these things. So let's go ahead and send a test message here. Okay, go here. Right, so I'm gonna send a message. It's now gonna be coming from my Twilio number, the trial number. Whoa, oops. Okay, so I'm sending this on this number. Right, so let's see what happened to that message. Let's see if it's been sent over. But most likely you will not receive it on your test number. So as you can see, this I went to the log types and SMS out box. This is the phone number that I sent it to, and it failed. And if you hover your mouse here, it would tell you that the number is unverified. Trial accounts cannot send messages to unverified numbers. So that's why we have to verify the number. And how you can do that is simple. You just go to Twilio here, and we have to go to verify numbers. It's either here. You can click this link, or there's a phone numbers here, and under manage and verified caller IDs. Now I want to verify that number, this one. So whoever I'm going to be sending it to, I need to verify that. I just click on add a new caller ID, number here. I put in for SMS. Right, so it's need the code. All right, so this will send a code to the number. Oh, hold on, got the wrong one. It's here. All right, so it's quite kind of complicated if you're sending out a message to a trial account with a trial account, because again, you would have to verify that number, and that number needs to get the code first for it to fully get fully verified. But now that it's verified, let me show you if it's gonna work. So I'm gonna send a sample text message to that number here. Message and send. Right, so I went to the SMS logs outbox. As you can see, let me check the refresh here, and it's been delivered. Actually, it went sent twice. Second test for Twilio. And let's check that number if I really did receive it. It's also an SMS account. So as you can see, and another thing about the trial account is that you can see here I received a message, but it would have like a sentence like this at the first part of the message that says sent from your Twilio trial account. So it's gonna be bothersome. So it's really good that you could upgrade your account as soon as possible. But you can use this again for testing if you really just want to test out first how good Twilio is or how convenient it is if you're gonna use it with SMS. Cool. Right now, as you notice here on my um, dollar amount that was given for free, it went down to $14.35 because you'll be deducted per sent messages in Twilio plus the receiving as well. Um, but we haven't really tried the receiving yet. But just to check something here as well for the receiving, if you go to your active numbers right now in Twilio and you click the number here, or actually it's going to show you here already in the messaging. Make sure that the webhook to post is going to be this one. I'm going to post this link as well in the description. The control panel SMS it, because if it's not that, you would not receive any messages at all in the SMS account right here. Because sometimes it does happen, rarely though, and it might not when you added the account SID and the token, it might have not changed the webhook. So if it doesn't, then you can just replace this, and you can do that here. You click your number, and once you're here, you just scroll down almost to the bottom because this one is for voice and their messaging. You can update that here. A message comes in, you have the webhook to this one. This is a webhook to our decentralized platform for you to receive the message in our decentralized platform. All right. Now, if you want to check the message logs that went through your Twilio, you can go here in message logs. So as you can see, this is the one that we sent out earlier for testing. And we can also change that to incoming, but we never sent a reply back earlier. But this is where you can find the logs, right? Right. So now that's done. So this account that I'm showing, I wanted to show you right now is we tried connecting this with the Twilio upgraded account, not a trial account. So the only difference again is that you won't have to verify numbers within the verified caller ID, and you would get available numbers like multiple numbers, not just one number. Plus, you won't have that message that has like the send from Twilio, if you recall. You won't have that anymore. And the steps are still the same. You just go to get started, connect third party gateway, and put up your SID and secret token here. But um, the awesome thing about it, if you have an upgraded account, is you can just directly get the number here from SMS-iT. As you can see, this is a new um, account that we have connected to a Twilio upgraded account, and you just click on get number here. And you can get a number directly from SMS-iT, and it will be just generated into your Twilio account that you connected over. So you can just do that on this end here. So for example, I'm just going to search local number here and search for an area code. Let's say 28, and I'd have multiple choice. And if I get this number, it would appear into your Twilio account. It would appear here as your primary number, and you would still be able to get other numbers, multiple numbers, and you would have it assigned as a secondary number here. And if you're sending messages, you would have multiple options to send the message from. All right, awesome. So that's basically all for today. And again, there's the most common question that we always get is why would we want to get our platform and have Twilio at the same time? And it's because Twilio doesn't have a messaging platform wherein you can like compose a message and have it have like scheduled messages or drip campaigns. They don't have that kind of platform just like ours that you can utilize for your marketing or campaigns. So that's why we created this option for you to connect your third-party gateway providers. So I hope this helped you guys understand how you can connect your Twilio accounts, and I'll be back soon with other informational videos, tutorials on how you can connect or use or utilize your SMS platform. Thank you. Have a good day.